Good morning, welcome back to the channel. It's not trip day yet, but I'm doing a test overnight camp with pretty much all the gear I'm going to be taking. It's been almost a year since I've had the bike completely loaded down, so it's going to take some getting used to. Some off-road riding. See how this new microphone placement fares. I tested it earlier at low speed, but I changed some things around, so I tried at high speed, but I'll do most of my talking at the slow speeds. Today I'm just heading up to Squamish, about an hour drive, and then maybe another hour or so up Logging Road to the end. I've camped there once before. The end of the road takes you up to the upper part of Indian Arm. Anyways, for now, we'll just enjoy some scenery on the way up. Squamish. Check out where I'm gonna spend the night. Welcome to Squamish. I stopped and got a few provisions for the evening. This is the start of the Mamaquam, it's called. I'm going to go down here for a few K and then it branches off to the right. And that will take me, it's about 38 kilometers to the end of that road. And that's where I'm going to plan to spend the night. Alright, so change of plans. There is construction going on up there. It's a 2-hour wait, she said. So it's already 3:20. I think I'll just go up to the left here and find a spot up there. There are plenty of places to camp as you get deep into the bush on the main road, so I guess I'll just improvise, find a spot. I'm about 15K up the main road. I've camped in some spots along here before, so I'm just going to drive a bit further. I know there's a good camp spot that I passed already. Hopefully no one's there. I didn't check, but I'll see. Let's go for a little boot down the road here and see if there's something more exciting. Definitely not feeling the most comfortable on the dirt after being off of it for so long. I gotta remember how the bike feels and that it's doing what it's supposed to be doing. I hope, anyway. So I don't think there's anything more back here. This goes deeper into the bush. These whoop-de-doos. So I think I'll just turn around and head back to camp. think you're good. I think you can make it.
It's a wonderful spot.
It is. Perfect. That wasn't graceful at all. One pathetic mishap getting into this little road. I'm gonna set up my spot here in the trees. And here is the view of the river. I'll go take a little dip after I get myself all set up. Okay, set up the tent in this little cove. Dinner is gonna be some old expired MREs that I have. Hopefully I don't wake up in agony in the middle of the night. Pork sausage patty or bison chili. Or maybe even both. I'm gonna take a little dip in the river, clean myself off. Somebody was nice enough to make a little pool there. Also forgot my chair like a dum-dum, but somebody is nice enough to bring a patio table out. And with a log, it'll give me somewhere to sit. It's definitely not a sitting and hanging out pool. I don't get this cold plunging thing. What a bounty in this ration pack. There's a pork sausage patty, hash browns with bacon, a toaster pastry, cocoa beverage, electrolyte lemon lime, a wheat bread snack, and jam, spoon, some coffee and creamer, sugar, and a fresh nappy. You tear this off and add water, and then it heats up, and I'm assuming you wrap everything inside. It says wrap it all up. A little bit of water, lay the heater bag down, and immediately place the food. I should have taken it out first. Now we wait. Let's try the lemon lime while we wait for my non-heating up meal. Lemony, limey. You'd be happy to have that in the apocalypse. Well, that's not cool. Never got hot. So if you were stuck in the apocalypse, you'd be eating cold hash brown patties. Let's heat that up and see what we end up with. Not the most appetizing, but hey, in the apocalypse you're eating good food. Maybe. Comes with an actual Pop-Tart. All right, let's taste this patty and hash browns and bacon. Pretty good. All right, I'm gonna enjoy this little tiny meal, then maybe watch a movie and hit the hay. And we'll pick this up again in the morning. Good morning. Spent a comfortable night. It wasn't too cold. Did sprinkle a little bit, but no real rain. So I'm all packed up. Site's all clean. And all that's left is to motor on out of here and head on home. Well, that was smoother than I expected, so that's good. That was the trickiest part I was worried about. No excuses. And I didn't lock this. Yeah, I thought I had the camera on, but it was off, and I very ungracefully made it up that hill. Not even a hill, a nothing. Okay, a few more K on the hard pack, and then we'll be on the actual highway home. Uneventful 13K after exploding my box of goodies everywhere. Just stopped in downtown Squamish for a little coffee before heading home. So my practice run was pretty much as expected. A few little hiccups. Dropped the bike, of course, which you have to do on any dirt road for some reason. Otherwise, a few little adjustments I need to make, especially trying to figure out this microphone. Other than that, just bomb down the highway home and clean up. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe.